One client that comes to mind is a gentleman that at the age of 60 lost his longtime job. He was 59 and he was fired from his job at 29 years. He obtained unemployment benefits for 18 months, and then after that he had difficulty finding a new job. His house went into foreclosure. He called us for assistance. After a 3-year battle, he found a long-term job. He was able to reinstate his home loan and stay in his home. I admired him because he never gave up. He did get discouraged, but he did not let that get the best of him. And at 60, he went out and found a new profession and a new job, and he's in his home and still working, and that was 5 years ago.
Just recently, just a couple of months ago, matter of fact, in May, I was working with a resident named Ms. Brenda. Brenda told me that she didn't have any money, and she wanted to get her grandson a graduation card, along with she had wanted to attend his graduation. And I informed Brenda that, why don't you just buy him a card, from your personal needs allowance that she should be receiving every month. And she informed me that she wasn't getting her money. And she didn't quite know why. After addressing this with the administrator, they stopped taking the money. In the meantime, Miss Brenda wanted to be able to attend her grandson graduation, be her first grandson to graduate, and her motorized wheelchair had been out of order for months, and she said no one had addressed this particular issue. I was able to talk to the facility, and they was able to allow her, they had an extra motorized wheelchair, and they was able to allow her to use it, test her to see if she could use it safely, and they eventually allowed her to use her wheelchair, and she ended up going to her grandson's graduation and was able to purchase him a card. So she was very pleased about this. This just made her day that she was able to do this and be a part of her grandson's graduation.
What I like best about being an attorney at Pro Seniors is the results that we get. Whether it's finding a lost pension or obtaining Medicaid benefits, Social Security issues, food assistance, navigating jobs and family services, we get results that make a difference in seniors' everyday life.
We have stopped many discharge from being discharged to shelters because we was able to intervene and to make sure that the facility give them a 30-day notice and let them know that they do have a right to appeal this. So again, many times families and residents don't know their rights, but they just go along with whatever the facility tells them.
Pro Seniors Legal Services is critical to seniors in Ohio because we bridge the gap for seniors between those who can afford legal services and those who can't. And the legal services that we provide really focus on life-sustaining benefits such as Medicaid or pension benefits, or what I do, foreclosure defense. We provide legal services that provide for the health and well-being of seniors, and that's critical.
Yeah, I'm proud to say that I'm work with Pro Seniors.